Hi, I'm Chelsea from Kami. You might recognize me by my glasses or possibly the Teacher podcast, but I'm here today to help you learn and love using Kami. I'm a former K-5 teacher with emphasis in English language learners, and today I'm going to teach you 5 Kami tips to save you, the teacher, some valuable in-class time. Let's get started. Tip number 1, the ultimate time saver, pre-made Kamified templates. Start from your Kami dashboard, click Explore Kami Library, and pick your favorite resource to plop right into Kami. Tip number 2, voice typing. Kami's voice typing feature is your best friend. It will help make getting information down that much quicker. You can find this within our text box tool. Go ahead and click the T on your toolbar, click anywhere on the page, and from the tools that appear at the top, click the little microphone and begin speaking. You know those moments where typing out text is just so much easier with voice typing? You can also access voice typing within the comment tool. Select Text Comment, click anywhere on the page to attach your text comment, then tap the little microphone and again begin talking. As you talk, it will type it as a comment. When you're done, click the microphone again and you'll see a transcription of what you said. Easy peasy. Tip number 3. Annotation Bank. Do you have things that you use or say every day? Kami's Annotation Bank will save you time in finding and locating these things. With the bank, you are able to save images, videos, feedback, and any other frequently used item for easy access to then plop into any Kami document. Tip 4, Kami Classbook. For your own personal use, create a Kami document with 30 pages or however many students you have, and keep a page for each student. Here you can put voice memos, notes, or any student observation to then use at a later date at parent-teacher conferences, report cards, or anytime you want to review individual student progress. And if you run out of pages, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of your document, click the plus sign, and add any amount of pages that you would like, and any kind of page you would like. Tip number 5, share to Brainstorm. Are you starting a new topic? Did something come up during class that you want to dig deeper into? Want your students all brainstorming on the same document? Quickly start a blank Kami page by typing kami.new in your address bar. And voila, a blank Kami page. Share quickly with your students by going to the share button and copying the link and sharing that out with them. You can also just use this as your virtual whiteboard for your daily class notes. And those are my 5 quick tips. Now go save yourself some time.